Welcome to Emergency Insights. I'm Kim Barker. Today, we are challenging a long-standing clinical dogma regarding the management of severe hypernatremia in the acute care setting. For years, the traditional teaching for treating adults with high serum sodium has cautioned against rapid normalization, with expert consensus suggesting a correction rate of no more than 0.5 millimoles per liter per hour. This conservative approach was primarily intended to avoid complications like cerebral edema and seizures, though it is important to note that these recommendations were largely extrapolated from neonatal and pediatric data rather than adult studies. However, a recent observational study published in the Journal of Critical Care is providing evidence that faster may actually be better for our adult patients. Researchers examined 430 adult inpatients presenting with severe hypernatremia, defined as a serum sodium of 155 millimoles per liter or higher. They compared outcomes between those who underwent fast correction at a rate greater than 0.5 millimoles per liter per hour within the first 24 hours, and those who received slow correction at or below that threshold. The results are quite compelling for the fast correction group. These patients experienced significantly lower 30-day mortality with a hazard ratio of 0.49. Furthermore, they showed significantly better 30-day hospital-free survival. Beyond survival metrics, aggressive correction was associated with a shorter median stay in the intensive care unit, 4 days compared to 5, and a reduction in total hospital stay from 11 days down to 8. While we still lack large-scale prospective trials, these findings are highly reassuring for clinicians. They suggest that a more aggressive correction strategy might be preferable for adult hospitalized adults and should decrease our concerns when we see faster than expected sodium normalization. It appears that the risks we have traditionally feared may not be as prevalent in the adult population as previously thought, while the benefits of rapid correction are becoming increasingly clear. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to Emergency Insights. I'm Kim Barker, and I'll see you next time.